500 sewing friends? That's a lot of scrunchies. Let's celebrate! My sewing journey started 10 months ago with a no-sew scrunchie and some clearance fabric from the Pioneer Woman. Look at all the colors and patterns. But then it seemed like maybe I was putting the cart before the horse. What if I first sewed a glorious 80s vintage top and then sewed a matching scrunchie, or even top it all off with a vintage inspired hat? She's in the corner because she's been bad. That's the dirty rascal that started it all. Well, well, well.
Dirty Diana.
She sews a heck of a rolled hem. What was your first impression of me? Terry, 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 when's the last time you washed your hair? She's an all-star. The next thing I know, it's like every thrift store I'm finding sewing machines. Help me, give me a cleanup. I'm not too old to work. Help, help. Come one, come all the dirty sewing machines and conehead sergers. Come on, we can be friends. We can sew, we can serge. Let's get you a bath. How'd you get your nickname, Miss Gertie? I'm a dirty girl. Well, Dirtie Gertie. Yes? I know it's been a while, but could you show me how to sew a pencil pouch? Sure. Let's give Dirtie Gertie a hand. She's a superstar. The ladies love Richard. Richard Gere. Sometimes she has a little bit of stomach trouble. She's worried Richard's gonna judge her for the cute, funny noises she makes.
Dirty Diana, I know you want me to pull your threads, but I'm not here for that. I'm here to sew them.
Richard Gere. Well, these two are figuring out their relationship in the corner. Dirtie Gertie is feeling a little bit left out.
I'm scared Richard's gonna think I'm too old and I weigh too much.
Richard, Gertie's got a crush on you. My friendship with Diana will always come before Richard Gere. Are you dirty? Join us! Are you old? Let's chill! Disabled? Come hang out! There's a space for everyone. I'm an award-winning sewist, and I have so much more in the works. Matchy-matchy for the month of March for patternreview.com. I want us all to earn a blue ribbon in creativity and a red ribbon in fun. If I've got a sewing machine, I can rule the world. Wish me luck!
No. That's the deal is this.
I didn't hear you. Subscribe here on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, or consider leaving me a tip on Ko-fi.
Oh my God, it's stuck to my head.
Prizes are fun, but I like winning ribbons the most.